All right, Lena, thank you. It is another warm one on tap for the Golden Empire.
It certainly is, and as we, of course, look at this forecast, we're also going to look at what caused those wildflowers to be a little drier this year besides the temperatures. We'll show you the rainfall in a second. 78 degrees currently, our dew points at 44, humidity at 29%, which is low. Winds out of the north now light at 5, and the pressure's at 29.98, and that is up a little bit from last hour. Currently watching as temperatures are near 80 degrees in Wasco, 80 in Buttonwillow, upper 70s then from Bakersfield to Arvin, and we're in the lower 60s near Tehachapi, mid 70s in the Kern River Valley, lower 70s out in the desert. Still looking at some gusty winds in the mountains in the Kern River Valley as well as over near Tehachapi at 23 miles per hour. Also seeing some gusts now near the 5 from Wasco over to Taft and Buttonwillow, 15 to 20 mile per hour wind gusts out of the north and west. Those wind gusts are arriving here behind our area of low pressure, and that did bring us the gusty winds yesterday and some cooler temperatures today, but that's now all shifting eastward. On the backside of that, a little bit of moisture trying to fall in the form of rain in the higher elevations of the mountains to our north. None of it really successful though, so we'll probably be dry here tonight and into tomorrow as well. Northerly winds working in, cooling us down along the coastline here with the next ridge that'll build on in through the weekend. And as we head into the forecast tomorrow, we'll be watching for a surface high to work in, bringing us much warmer air. So temperatures again will be into the lower 80s tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today. But it's the weekend now where we have the biggest change, and that is as an area of low pressure works in, giving us a much hotter forecast than the one we were showing you yesterday at this time. 90s on the way for Sunday and Monday. By the way, the rainy season officially ending Tuesday, and of course it's been very drying up the wildflowers earlier this year because of the lack of rainfall and the warmer temperatures. And the grapevine also looking especially toasty. Usually we would see more vegetation there, and it's already dried up. So 80s, not necessarily a good thing in that regard, but we'll be in the 80s again tomorrow, above average. 81 in Bakersfield, 85 in Delano, and in the mountain forecast tonight, watching for 40s tomorrow, 80 in Wofford Heights, 73 in Tehachapi, and close to 70 in Fraser Park. In the desert, still a little windy here, and temperatures around 88 in Ridgecrest. Air quality will be moderate, and your forecast will be a little bit warmer now. Saturday as well, 86 degrees, 90 on Sunday and Monday, and then into next week, upper 80s. So this whole forecast has shifted, and the temperatures will be warming, an upper level ridge building in a little earlier than usual, and that's going to stay put in the mountains, upper 70s, mid to upper 70s next week with overnight lows in the upper 40s, and in the Kern River Valley, upper 80s for the weekend, 90 on Monday. So I have a feeling a lot of folks will be testing out the swimming pools Sunday.
If they haven't already.
Exactly. Well, maybe this time it actually will be a little bit warmer in the water than what it has been.
Yeah, so rainy season ends when? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Yeah, thanks for that.
He was asking me like, what rainy season?
As I said earlier, I'm just the messenger.
Oh, I know.
Thanks.